Welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your language on YouTube using your computer. So first, you want to open a browser and then search youtube.com and then make sure that your account is logged into it. And then after that, click on your profile. You can see it on the upper right side of your screen beside the notification icon. And then here you can see language. So mine it is British English, so you just want to click on that. And then here you can choose whatever language that you want. So for example, I want to choose Filipino. Just gonna click that, and then as you can see, my language is changed. So if you want to change it to the original, just need to do these steps again. So click on your profile and then language, then choose any language that you want, and then that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.